Okay. So when you just in the Google, right? When you type R, just the big R, right? Just capital R, and then the project for the statistical computing, right? So just click this link, and then there's a download, right? Download link, the CR. So just go to this download link. By the way, this is being recorded. So, and then for the download site, this is what USA, right? And then like you can choose any link. So for me, it's just let me just choose this one, Case Western Reserve University, right? So just click this link, right? And depends on your operating systems. You can choose the Linux, or you can choose Mac, or you can choose Windows. By the way, by default, right? By default, the operating system for this class is Windows. Okay, and so yeah, the default operating system for this class Windows, because you know that it's like, if you go to industry, majority of IT people, they're using the Windows or Linux, right? So the major the main operating system for this class is a Windows. However, if you have a Mac, then you can choose this, right? But let's say download for R for Windows, right? And then install R for the first time. You need to click this and download 4. So this is the latest, right? But it depends. I mean, it's you don't have to really install the latest version. It is especially for this class. I think the version 3 point something still works, but let's say download 4.0.2. So when you click this, right, it's a huge file. So when you click this for the installation,
Professor?
yes.
There's can we download this on a Mac too?
Yes, I show you the link, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. So select the language to the user during the installation. So I said yes, English, right? So the next, oops, where did it go? Yep, so next. And then good, yes, and then everything, just click. Just I'm gonna accept the default. And then yes, R. And then I'm gonna create a shortcut, and then launch the shortcut. Okay, so that's it. Just click, 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 click. And later on, you have to install R Studio, but that's like later on. For now, just R package. For now, just R package, but later on, you need to install R Studio. Okay, it's done. Once it's done, I think you can see this R package on your background, right? So I click this, and then you will see this terminal, right? This R console, right? So if you can see this R console, right, your installation is successful. Okay, it's very simple, right? And by the way, I already showed you that, right? You can, if you're using the Mac, you can click this download R for the OS, Mac OS, right? Okay, so that's the how to install R package. It's very simple. So let's take a 1 minute break. There's one more thing that I'd like to talk before you leave. So let's take a 1 minute break. So I'm done with the how to install our package on your desktop or the notebook computer. Okay.